Why, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I would like to share with you the happy mail that I received in April from some amazing people who are just, it's mind-blowing to know that there are so many wonderful people in this world. But let's not ramble on. Let's get straight into this. The first piece of happy mail that I want to share with you comes from the lovely Robin. Thank you so much, Robin, for your kind and generous donations that you gave to me, and also sending me this beautiful coloring book that was on my wish list. I was so excited to get this because I have one coloring book cafe book, but I really like these types of books. They are just, oh, they're just, I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. And one unique thing that Coloring Book Cafe does is put the thumbnails of their images in the front of their books. And I'm going to show you a little tip, trick, and hack that this gave me an idea to do with my other coloring books that come in PDF form and you can possibly scan, but we're going to save that for another video for another time. But I absolutely love this book. The images are so simple, so quick, so easy. I can add as much detail to them as I like. I love this. This is just, if you would like to see a complete flip through of this book, let me know and we will get that done. But Robin, thank you so much, girl. I appreciate everything that you have done for me. You always know how to make me smile. And speaking of making me smile, I got this amazing happy mail from the lovely Renee. She sent me a bunch of washi tape because she knows that I'm absolutely in love with using washi tape in my coloring books to add decor. So she sent me this design, and she sent me this huge 44 tape fetty of decorative tapes. And I absolutely love it. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better gift than what you lovely ladies have sent me. So thank you so much, Renee. You know me so well. So thank you so much. And I also got this from the beautiful Madeline. Thank you so much for this Kaleidoscope stained glass coloring book. This is so cute. I mean, how cute can you get? I mean, this little bitty, itty bitty book that you can probably finish an image in here like super fast. And you know I'm all about finishing images fast because you never know what's going to happen. But here are the little images in here. And you know I'm trying to get into mandalas and markers so that I can enjoy my coloring more. So this is perfect. Thank you so much, Madeline. This is a perfect gift and I absolutely love it. The next thank yous are not tangible items. They are actually thank yous to all of you who watch my videos and who hit the like button and watch all the ads on my videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate them. I appreciate you for supporting me in that way. All of you who use my Amazon affiliate links, you're supporting me in a way that I can't express in words how much it means to me, how much support I'm getting for this channel and for what I do. I work really hard to expend myself, you know, to a point where I get tired at times and I get, you know, sad at times and frustrated. But when I see how you respond to my videos and what I do and how you support me, it makes it all worth it. It all just makes a full circle and makes me just want to keep doing this for as long as I possibly can. Your comments, thank you for leaving comments. Some of your comments are just like mind-blowing. It makes me cry sometimes. I find myself just getting choked up at times by the amazing things that you say. Like this one comment where this amazing lady was like, subscriber was like, I'm so glad I found your channel. This has really brought joy to me, and you teach me so much. And she was just going on about how much she appreciated what I do. And I'm like, me? Someone is getting benefit from what I do? Oh my gosh, it's unreal. So I just want to give a big old thanks to all of you who support my channel in those ways. Also, I want to give a big thank you to all the new and existing YouTube exclusive members. Thank you for joining my YouTube membership exclusive program. It means so much to me that you will support me in that way. Also, you get special perks, and I'll do another video showing the updated perks, because there are some new and updated perks that you will get if you go and join. We're going to talk about those later, but thank you to everyone who has recently joined, and all of my longtime joiners who joined from day one. Thank you all so very much. Like I said, words can't express how I feel. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you. So I do know how to express my thanks. Instead of saying words can't express, I do know how to express my thanks. A giveaway. Yes, I am going to do a giveaway when I reach 5,000 subscribers on this channel. I'm already so close, and that's a huge milestone for me. I would have never thought my channel would reach 5,000 subscribers. I mean, right now I'm at like 4,400 or 4,500 or something like that, but subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and you can increase your chances of winning this amazing giveaway that I'm about to do. So let me show you what I will be giving away in this giveaway when I reach 5,000 subscribers, to show my appreciation. Dun, 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 dun. How many of you want these polychromos? Yes, I'm going to be giving away this 12 set of polychromos colored pencils. Yes, isn't that just awesome? So if you would like to win this, subscribe, please, and like this video, and encourage others to subscribe. Share the video so that we can get to 5,000 ASAP. The next thing in this giveaway will be The Secret Garden by Johanna Basford, the Artist Edition. It has 20 drawings to color and frame. It's on super thick cardstock paper. You can use markers, paint, just whatever you'd like to use. It's still in the plastic, so this is one that I will be giving away in the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Next are my favorite items are the pastel pushers, as I like to call them, the finger protectors that I feature in so many of my videos to use for backgrounds and for spreading the color around with chalks and different things. So speaking of backgrounds and chalks, I will be including this 12 set of the Crayola chalk that you can use for backgrounds. So we'll be giving that away. And also, keeping along with the Crayola products, you will receive the 50 set of Crayola colored pencils. So that's 2 sets of pencils. Yay. So many pencils. Love pencils. Love them. Love them. Next are these 2 Crayola coloring books. You will be receiving these along with the other coloring book from Johanna Basford. Next are my favorite gel pens. You know, I absolutely love these. They, to me, are as good as the Jelly Roll glitter gel pens, but I'll let you figure that out for yourself once you win them. Let me know if you think they are amazing. So you will be getting that. And next, you will be getting also these chalk writer markers. I have a video showing you that I will link right here above how I use these. These are water soluble. You can use these on your grass or your sky for backgrounds. You can smooth them out with your finger or with the pastel pushers. They work a lot like your gelatos. So by Faber-Castell. So you get those two, a blue and a green one. And last but not least, you're going to get some dual-ended Sharpies, a blue one and a green one. I just love blue and green because I figure skies, ground, grass, you can never go wrong with that. Next are these Sharpie paint pens. They are oil-based paint pens that you can use just like you would use your Posca pen. So I have the blue and the pink. So this is everything that you will be getting in my 5K giveaway. How many are you excited? I'm super excited. So let's hurry up and get this thing to 5K subscribers so that we can go ahead and start giving some stuff away. Yes. So thank you for joining me today, hanging out with me, and you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day, and happy coloring. Bye.